Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will cover important questions related to who is who in India at present. So watch the video till the end. Let's start the video. Question number 1 is, who is the current CBI director? The right answer is option B, Pravin Sood. Pravin Sood is the current CBI director. Let's see some important points related to CBI. CBI full form is सेंट्रल ब्यूरो ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन। इसकी स्थापना हुई थी 1 अप्रैल 1963 को। इसका मोटो है इंडस्ट्री, इम्पार्शियलिटी, इंटेग्रिटी। सीबीआई हेडक्वार्टर न्यू दिल्ली में है और सीबीआई के जो फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर थे वो थे डीपी कोहली। ऑल दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स, सो रिमेंबर ऑल दैट पॉइंट। लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Who is the first female CEO and chairperson of Railway Board? Very important question. The right answer is option B, Jaya Verma Sinha. Recently, Jaya Verma Sinha became the first female CEO and chairperson of Railway Board. Next question. Who is recently appointed as President of Film and Television Institute of India, Pune? The right answer is option B, R. Madhavan. Recently, R. Madhavan appointed as President of FTTI. FTTI full form is Film and Television Institute of India, which headquarter is in Pune. Next question. Who is the present CEO of Niti Aayog? The right answer is option A, BVR Subramaniam. BVR Subramaniam is the CEO of Niti Aayog at present. Let's see some important points related to Niti Aayog. The full form of Niti Aayog is National Institution for Transforming India. It was established on 1st January 2015 and its current chairman is नरेंद्र मोदी। नीति आयोग के जो चेयरमैन होते हैं वो प्रधानमंत्री होते हैं, तो करंट चेयरमैन जो है नीति आयोग के वो है प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी। फर्स्ट वाइस चेयरमैन of Niti Aayog was Arvind Pangadia and first CEO of Niti Aayog was Sindhu Shri Khullar. So all these points are very important for your upcoming exams. So remember all these points. Let's see the next question. Who is the present Chief Justice of India? The right answer is option C, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud is the present Chief Justice of India. He is the 15th Chief Justice of India. So remember that. Next question. Who is the current Chief Election Commissioner of India? The right answer is option D, Rajiv Kumar. Rajiv Kumar is the Chief Election Commissioner of India at present. See some important points related to Election Commission of India. Article 324 to 329 is related to Election Commission. Election Commission was established on 25th of January 1950. First Chief Election Commissioner of India was Sukumar Sen and the first female Chief Election Commissioner of India was V.S. Ramadevi. These points are very important. Next question. Who is the present Governor of Reserve Bank of India? Who is the present Governor of RBI? The right answer is option A, Shaktikant Das. Shaktikant Das is the present Governor of RBI. Let's see some important point about RBI. RBI was established on 1st April 1935. It was nationalized on 1st January 1949. First Governor of RBI was Osborne Smith and its headquarter is in Mumbai. Remember all these points. Next question. Who is the present Chief of RAW? The right answer is option B, Ravi Sinha. Ravi Sinha is the present Chief of RAW. Let's see some important points about RAW. RAW full form is Research and Analysis Wing. It was established on 21st September 1968. First Chief of RAW was Rameshwar Nath Rao and motto of RAW is Dharmo Rakshati Rakshitah. Next question. Who is the present President of Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Who is the present President of FICCI? The right answer is option D, Shubhrakanta Panda. Shubhrakanta Panda is the present President of FICCI. FICCI was established on 1927. So remember this. Let's see the next question. Who is the India's Chief of Defence Staff at present? The right answer is option A, Anil Chauhan. Anil Chauhan is the present CDS of India. Next question. Who is the present chairperson of SEBI? The right answer is option C, Madhvi Puri Buch. Madhvi Puri Buch is the present chairperson of SEBI and she is also the first woman chairperson of SEBI. So remember this. Next question. Who is the current Director General of Border Security Force? The right answer is option A, Nitin Agrawal. Nitin Agrawal is the current Director General of Border Security Force. Let's see some important points related to BSF. BSF was established on 1st December 1965. Its headquarters is in New Delhi and motto of BSF is ड्यूटी अंटिल डेथ, यानी कि जीवन पर्यंत कर्तव्य. सो रिमेंबर दिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु इज द प्रेजेंट डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी? द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, सुबोध कुमार सिंह. सुबोध कुमार सिंह इज द प्रेजेंट डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी. नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी वॉज एस्टेब्लिश्ड in 2017. Next question. Who is the current vice chairman of Niti Aayog? The right answer is option C, Suman K. Beri. Suman K. Beri is the current vice chairman of Niti Aayog and CEO of Niti Aayog is BVR Subramaniam. Next question. Who is the current chairman of UPSC? The right answer is option C, Manoj Soni. Dr. Manoj Soni is the current chairman of UPSC. UPSC full form is Union Public Service Commission. Let's see some important points related to UPSC. UPSC was established on 1st October 1926. Its headquarters is in New Delhi and first chairman of UPSC was Rose Barker. Next question. Who is the present Comptroller and Auditor General of India? The right answer is option C, Girish Chandra Murmu. Girish Chandra Murmu is the present CAG of India. Next question. Who is the current Air Chief Marshal of India? The right answer is option B, Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Current Air Chief Marshal of India is Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Next question. Who is the present chairman of Atomic Energy Commission? The right answer is option A, Ajit Kumar Mohanty. Ajit Kumar Mohanty is the present chairman of Atomic Energy Commission. Next question. Who is the current chief of Indian Navy? The right answer is option C, R. Hari Kumar. Admiral R. Hari Kumar is the present chief of Indian Navy. Next question. Who is the current chairman of Board of Control of Cricket in India? The right answer is option B, Roger Binny. Roger Binny is the current chairman of BCCI. Let's see some important points related to BCCI. BCCI was established on 1928. Its headquarters is in Mumbai and current secretary of BCCI is Jay Shah and present CEO of BCCI is Hemang Amin and present vice president is Rajiv Shukla. So remember this. Next question. Who is the current chief of Indian Army? The right answer is option D, Manoj Pandey. General Manoj Pandey is the current chief of Indian Army. Next question. Who is the current National Security Advisor of India? The right answer is option B, Ajit Doval. Ajit Doval is the current National Security Advisor of India. Next question. Who is the current Director General of National Security Guard? The right answer is option C, M.A. Ganpati. M.A. Ganpati is the current Director General of NSG. Next question. Who is the Lok Sabha Speaker at present? The right answer is option D, Om Birla. Om Birla is the current Speaker of Lok Sabha. Next question. Who is the Rajya Sabha chairman at present? The right answer is option A, Jagdeep Dhankhar. जगदीप धनखड़ इज़ दी वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया। जो भारत के उपराष्ट्रपति होते हैं वह राज्यसभा के सभापति भी होते हैं, तो ये आपको याद रखना है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो प्रेजेंट जो राज्यसभा चेयरमैन है वो जगदीप धनखड़ है, और जगदीप धनखड़ जो है प्रेजेंट वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया भी है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु इज़ द करेंट अटॉर्नी जनरल ऑफ इंडिया? द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, आर वेंकट रमानी। आर वेंकट रमानी इज द करेंट अटॉर्नी जनरल ऑफ इंडिया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु इज़ द करेंट सॉलिसिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया? द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, तुषार मेहता। तुषार मेहता इज द करेंट सॉलिसिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया एंड आर वेंकट रमानी इज द करेंट अटॉर्नी जनरल ऑफ इंडिया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Who is the current Central Vigilance Commissioner of India? The right answer is option A, Praveen Kumar Srivastava. Praveen Kumar Srivastava is the current Central Vigilance Commissioner of India. Next question, who is the current Chairman of National Human Rights Commission? The right answer is option C, Justice Arun Kumar Mishra. Justice Arun Kumar Mishra is the current Chairman of National Human Rights Commission. Next question, who is the current Director General of Intelligence Bureau? The right answer is option B, Tapan Deka. Tapan Deka is the current Director General of IB. Next question, who is the current Chairperson of National Commission for Women? The right answer is option A, Rekha Sharma. Rekha Sharma is the current Chairperson of National Commission for Women. Next question, who is the current chairperson of National Commission for Protection of Child Rights? The right answer is option A, Priyank Kanungo. Priyank Kanungo is the current chairperson of NCPCR. Next question, who is the deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha at present? The right answer is option C, Harivansh Narayan Singh. Harivansh Narayan Singh is the present deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha. Next question, who is the Director General of Indo-Tibetan Border Police at present? The right answer is option A, Anish Dayal Singh. Anish Dayal Singh is the present Director General of ITBP. Next question, who is the current chairperson of National Green Tribunal? The right answer is option A, Justice Prakash Srivastava. Justice Prakash Srivastava is the current chairperson of National Green Tribunal. So remember this. So friends, today's question for you, who became the first woman to head the railway board? Give the answer in the comment box. So friends, if you like this video, then press the like button and share it with all your friends. And if you did not subscribe to our channel, then subscribe to our channel for the latest content. Thank you so much.